Today I am going to discuss a very important topic in data structure. So the topic is tree. Now what is tree? At first, tree is a non-linear data structure. Then why we study tree? Basically, it is used to represent the data item in a hierarchical manner. For example, if we want to establish a relationship between a grandfather and his descendant, then we have to use the tree concept. So, what is the definition of this tree? Basically, a tree is a non-linear data structure in which items are arranged in a sorted sequence. Now, here we consider a tree diagram. Okay. This is a structure of a tree. Now, when we consider a tree, there are few concepts related to tree. So the first concept is the highest number of point, or better we see that the highest number of node, that is A, denoted as a root. So if we consider, or if we want to write what is the root of this tree, so the root of this tree is A. Now what are the node of that tree? Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of node of that tree is 12. Okay. Now next concept is degree of node. So what is the degree of node? Here basically each node consider the highest number of subtree, that is denoted as a degree of node. Now for example, if we consider the degree of A, the degree of A is basically this node hold another 3 nodes, that is B, C and D. So the degree of node A is 3. Okay. Next, if we consider the degree of B holds another 2 nodes, that is E and F. That's why the degree of B is 2. So the degree of B is 2. Now if we consider the degree of H, again H hold another 3 point, that is J, K and L. That's why the degree of H is what? 3. Now if we consider the node I, G, E, J, K and L, those nodes does not hold any other nodes, right? That's why the degree of E, I, G, J, K and L is 0. E, I, G, J, K, L. Now the next point is, what is the degree of a tree? The degree of a tree is highest number of node which holds the highest number of value, that is denoted as a degree of a tree. Now here the highest number of value is 3. That's why the degree of this tree is 3. Next important topic is terminal node. So what is terminal node? or nodes. Basically, a nodes with degree 0 is called a terminal node or leaf node. A node with degree 0 is called terminal or leaf node. Now in previously here E, I, G, J, K and L, those nodes has the degree is 0. That's why here we consider those are the terminal node. Okay, that means E, I, J, E, I, G, J, K, L. Okay. Next topic is non-terminal node. So, what is non-terminal node? Very easy concept. That is those node which does not hold any 0 degree value, or we can say that those node has some value or degree. Those are the non-terminal node like B, F, C, D, H. Okay, B, C, D, H, F. Okay, those are the non-terminal node. Okay, next concept is very important. That is, what is the level or depth of a tree? Level or depth. Okay, now basically here we consider from the root level of the tree. From the root level, this is denoted as level 0. Okay, next level is level 1, that is level 2, that is level 3. So what is the level of the tree or depth of this tree? That is 0 to 3. That means depth or the level of the tree is 4. Okay, and the last concept but not the least is forest. So what is forest? Basically it is a set of disjoint tree. This is known as forest. So forest means this is a pictorial representation of a forest. Okay, next video I will cover binary tree. Thank you.